You guys, check out my Glam Bag Box from Ipsy. Of course, I get it every month. Actually, the box I get quarterly. But I love the box because it gives you the full product, but you'll see. But yeah, first it comes with a newsletter, and basically it has all the products that are in all of the Glam boxes, and there might be items that I may not have in here, but maybe I can get it later on if I want it. Alright, let's dive right in. So we got here what is this? Because I'm not looking at them. Ooh, it's a deep moisture glow oil. Ooh, okay, let's open it up and see what's up. Let's see what's up. Okay. Oh, look at that. That is sexy. I love it. So this is a moisturizing oil. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ah, it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay, on to the next. Alright, we got here a watermelon glow. It's a face mask, an overnight face mask. Okay, let's see. Oh, I dropped something. Oh, it has a little spoon, a little spatula for it. Okay, okay. Let's see. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so it's a clay mask. Oh my god. Can you guys see that? Oh, let me smell it. That smells so good. Alright, so this is a eye rejuvenation cream. Has vitamin C and what is it? It has some CMH repair complex, caffeine, magnolia, hemp oil, very nice ingredients, all natural stuff here. That's really good. Really good. Okay, let's see. Still got this mask on my hand. Let me wipe it off. Alright. Nice packaging. I really like it. Nice and clean and chic. Okay, so this is the oil or the under eye cream. Okay. Let me smell it. Smells so earthy. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna try that tonight, actually. Okay. So now we have this. Oh, and I actually tried this one earlier, but this is a liquid highlight. Oh my gosh. Look at the shimmer. And I don't wash my hands already, but you can kind of see the shimmer right here, right? But look at the packaging on this bad boy. Oh my gosh. Watch. Oh, isn't it beautiful? Kind of gives me Fenty vibes, you know? But I think it's real pretty. So I'm gonna pop this open. And look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that shimmer, guys. I'm gonna put a little dab where I had it before. Look at that. Let me see if I can get it on camera. Just right, look at that shimmer. Now that is a highlight, baby. Have you glowing all night long. I love it. I love the packaging though. They did that with the packaging. Okay, so now we have some lip balm. Kiss My, that's funny. By Rowan. Huh, interesting. I never heard of that one. Okay, so let's pop this open. They gave me the color Charlie. So let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. That looks so pretty already. I love the packaging. Oh, I love that. It's so cute. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Alright, let's see if I can find a place in my hand here. Oh no, that's a nice nude right there. That's a nice nude. Okay, okay. Let's get it popping. Let's get it. So now, yo, check it. They gave me Fenty. I was just talking about it, right? They gave me a Fenty mascara. Let's see. I've never had Fenty mascara, so it's pretty cool that I have this. Oh, yes, Riri. Of course, with the packaging. Love it, love it. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. This is where it's at. Very nice. Very nice. And this is a big mascara. Like, this is huge. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have makeup for a lifetime messing with Ipsy. Okay, so this one is called Treats Lash Treat. And when I Googled it and I looked it up a little bit more, this actually helps grow your eyelashes. So I never had a product that helped grow my eyelashes. I really have no eyelashes, so if this works, you guys will know. But this right here, so apparently you apply a thin strip to your eyelash, your eyelash waterline, and within 6 weeks you should see a noticeable difference where your eyelashes are much more thicker and more defined. So I don't know, I'm gonna try it, y'all, but we'll see. I'm very skeptical. And last but not least, of course, you know they always hook me up with a new palette. Okay. Let's see what I got here. This is Art Beauty or Arth Beauty. It's like they want to say Arthur, but it's just Art Beauty. It's a Moonlight Crystal palette. Ooh. Anything with crystal is my friend. Oh, this is pretty. Look at this box. And it's actually like, you see that? Kind of embossed. Like, it's a raised. I love that. It's pretty. Oh, look at this palette, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Has the names on it. Oh, look at that. Let's see what it do. Okay. Let's put a little bit more. Oh, that's pretty. So you could apply this and then have this on top. Nice little glitter, nice little pop. Okay, I see y'all trying to get me hooked. See, that is definitely beautiful. So that is my Glam box. I'm very happy with this box. I think this is one of my favorite boxes so far. So you guys, I'll keep you posted on the next one. Ciao, Bellas.